Now we will study about angle of deviation. We just saw what is a prism's angle. BAC, correct? Angle of deviation we see in the prism, how it is happening. Okay. So first we will take one ray. What ray is that? Incident ray. That will be OP. Okay. This ray is OP, which is incident ray. Now, when it falls on the surface AB, how will the ray go inside the prism?
Towards the normal, because it is traveling from error to.
It will bend towards the
normal.
correct, and it will become straight. But if it's not bending, it will be going what?
Straight angle.
Straight in this line, isn't it? See, if I give one scale, straight. If it is not bending, it will be going straight. But it is bending and it is becoming PQ. Okay, so this ray is what? Refracted ray, isn't it? Here only there is angle of incidence also. This is angle of refraction. Got it? Now this is P, this is Q, and this is R. Now the ray from here will act like an incident ray again for the second surface AC. How will the ray go here outside? Away from the normal. When the normal is there, it will go away. Okay. Now you know this path of reversibility, isn't it? Now if I extend this ray here, if I make it straight, like how I made straight this side, if I make this straight this side, it will also be in the straight line. But here it is bending because of what? Laws of reflection. It's obeying, correct? From one medium to another medium, isn't it? So, first angle of deviation, where it is happening? At the point P, correct? Instead of going straight, it bent this side. Isn't it? So this is the first angle of deviation. Got it? Second, now when emergent ray is coming out, instead of if you take out the path of reversibility, it will be going which side? Straight. Instead of that, this is also bent and it's coming like this. So this one will be angle of deviation 2. Correct? Now, when you extend both the rays, that is the incident ray, if it travels straight, and the emergent ray, if it travels straight, you will get a point where both the rays will meet. That is
Angle of deviation 3.
angle of deviation 3, but you can just call angle of